Hey everybody, AJ Sampson here with onX Offroad. You know, when I was new to this whole overland off-road camping thing, one of the biggest questions I always had was, where can I camp? And even to this day, when I'm new to a particular area, I still ask that same exact question. Well, onX makes that super easy. On the app at the very bottom left corner, just click that icon to bring up your map layers, and the very first option you'll see is Dispersed Camping. Turn that on and then you'll see in yellow all the areas where dispersed camping is allowed. I know, no more guesswork. You're welcome.